Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Pixel camera flash not working. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Google Pixel phone. Scroll down and tap Apps, then select See All Apps. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Reset App Preferences, then tap Reset Apps to confirm. Next, scroll down and open the Camera app. Tap Force Stop and confirm by selecting OK. After that, tap Storage and Cache, then choose Clear Storage and confirm the action. Once that's done, restart your phone. After the phone turns back on, open the Camera app and allow any required permissions if prompted. Finally, tap the flash icon and check if it is working properly. These steps refresh the Camera app and its settings. So that's basically how you can fix Google Pixel camera flash not working. And that's it for this video. Thanks.